Everyone, and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, there is a continuous upside, and I have already told you and still telling you that there is a clear pattern and chances will be very high, a probability of crossing 95 and further upside we can see in the price of crude. Same pattern we have seen in gold also. Gold is also on upper side and chances of going further high we can see in the price of gold. Okay, what this pattern is saying that there is a higher chances because there is already a breakout in the month of October. It has crossed that level and a further upside we can see. Okay, but if the price crosses a level of around $90, then there is a higher chance of touching $95 and from there a further upside. Okay, second thing is that there is a clear pattern forming. Okay, and what this pattern was saying after pandemic, that whenever it is going and making a new high, we have seen a fall is coming. Okay, and this is I have been repeating in most of the videos so that the beginner or the first person who was coming, you should know how the price of crude is moving since 2-3 years. And before also, if you see, we have not seen this pattern before. Okay, and for the sixth time it would have made a new high, but because of the Ukraine war we have seen the price was continuously moving down in natural gas also and this crude also. So before I move ahead and explain you where the price of crude can move in the next 2 days, in the next week, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, what we can see, it can touch a level of around $89.80. Okay, and this level is already being tested, so chances are high it will go further high and can touch a level of around $90.22. Okay, and once the price sustain above that particular level, chances are high it will cross a level of around $90.78. Okay, and once it sustain above 90.78, then a further upside we can see and a probability of going towards 91.27. okay, and once the price sustain above 91.27, a further high we can see, and then there is a probability of going towards 92.41. okay, and once the price started sustaining of 92.41, then we can see it can cross a level of around 93 and then will touch a level of 94. okay, as soon as it touches a level of 94, we can see that it can touch a high of this zone, that is 95, and a probability of crossing this zone we can see, because there is a clear pattern forming and chances are high it will go above a level of $95 and can go towards 95.71 and then to a level of 97.66. These are the level it can touch because clear patterns are forming. Okay, whatever information, whatever things comes, the news comes or some, we can see the effect here on the price. Okay, so don't apply your brain. What is on the chart is very important. Okay, that means apply the brain on the chart, not on the news. Okay, news, if the trend is on upside, chances are high, and always try to see the charts because this will show you the trend. Data is forming on the chart. Okay, and somebody, see, word of mouth is a different thing. Okay, what you are seeing on the chart is the real thing. Okay, so always rely on the data. Okay, the news might come and go, but if you are seeing an uptrend, okay, or a downtrend, okay, the news, it might have already been taken by the firm or something, so that the data has appeared. Okay, so always remember to see the chart. That is very important. Don't rely on others information, word of mouth information. Okay, so now if the price didn't sustain, because market is uncertain, you have to understand market is uncertain, so always try to set your SL. This is very important, and always try to trail your SL. Okay, these two things you have to do. Suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of $89. Okay, and once it started moving below that level, a further downfall we can see towards a level of 88.19. These two. Okay, and once the price started falling $88.19, then a further downfall we can see towards a level of $87.17, and from there we can see it can go further low and a probability of going towards 86.35. After 89 we can see a level of 87.17, then to a level of $86, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $85.43. okay, and if that level move further low, then we can see it will go towards a level of 85. After 85 we can see a level of $83.45, and from there we can see it can touch a level of around $81.61. Okay, after 83.5 we can see a level of 81.61, and from there a further downfall we can see, and then it can touch a level of 81.53. okay, and then there will be a zone breakout, and chances are high it will go towards a level of 80.49, and then from there we can see a level of $79.39. okay, and once started falling, moving below that level, a further downfall we can see, and then it can touch a level of $77, and if it moves below that level, a further downfall we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this you can mail me. The mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.